What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. As you can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the Blue Alien on deck, and I believe this one comes from Hobby and RC. Let's get in it and see what it is. Yes, it's bubble wrap. We're gonna pop the bubbles. Okay, so here we go. This is the WL Toys Onslaught 1/24 scale RC car, 2-wheel drive, maximum speed 25 kilometers. Pull it out from the side there. Cut it out. This is the transmitter. Looks familiar. My son had something similar to this one. Then we have an instructions manual. So let's have a look at this little guy. Pretty light, not hobby grade at all, just a toy grade little car. Thing should be pretty fast. I'm expecting it to be fast. It's very light. Got the little shock going on in the back. Oversized rubber wheels. We have a USB charger right here for it. And that's all we got. And this transmitter here, you can turn the speed down and all. This is proportional throttle and proportional steering. And so you guys can expect a quick little running demonstration of this. Maybe indoors, maybe outdoors. See how fast it is. And ultimately, maybe a quick review or full review. It's the WL Toys Onslaught A989, I believe this one is. Thanks for watching.